Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks, and this is a video about a macro that our friend of Corel came up with called size shower. And if you're working in inches, so this box is two inches by 2.5 inches. Well, in millimeters, it's 50.8 and 63.5. You can change it to inches, and you get, well, I've actually got the decimal places railed out. Let's change it to 2 decimal places. There's a 6.5. Let's right click the mouse and change the units to inches. And you can change it to anything. Change it to millimeters, pixels, points, I don't even know, feet, yard, miles, bunch of kilometers, tenths of macrometers. There's a few more than you have in Corel. Just a few more, but not, they're basically the same. But if you're working and you didn't know what millimeters are in that same aspect, now you need to change both of them to millimeters. So this is 63.5 and it's really 2.5 in millimeters. So whatever box you click on, and it's the same as this, if these boxes were kind of equal, and you wanted to see how big the space is, it's 4.49, but it's really 114 and 63.5 millimeters. I will have a link to this macro on his website that is right here. I'll have this link, and if you look at, he's got a lot of macros that are really cool. Little explanation about how it works, kind of like what I just did, and there's the macro right there. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.